Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to look at valid palindrome. It's another Leetcode problem. So it says that a phrase is given to us, and after converting all the uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumeric, meaning all that which is not number or all that which is not letter, it should if it reads same forward and backward, then that's a palindrome. Okay, so this is the example which is given to us, and if we remove the space, comma, colon, then we get something like this, and this is a palindrome. And how do we understand that? Is if you see at the beginning of the string there's an a, and at the end of the string there's an a again. The second character is M, it's an M, then A, again an A, N, again an N, and it goes on. Okay, so we will be like checking for all the non alphanumeric characters. Okay, removing that, making a string something like this, and then we will just check if our characters are same at the beginning of the string and at the end of the string. And if we don't see that, then we will simply return a false. Okay, that is what we are going to do. Now we will convert it to lowercase, and we'll use replace all, so that all the non-alphanumeric will be replaced by uh, empty quotes. So not A to Z or 0 to 9. So this says that all that is non-alphanumeric, such as comma, space, colon. Okay, these are not under the category of A to Z or 0 to 9, right? So this is the regular expression that we will be using to remove the non-alphanumeric characters, and then we will take a character array. Then we'll take two variables. Okay, so while start is less than end, we will be checking if our character array at start is not equal to character array at end. So if we come across any character, suppose in this example, if this is A and here it is Z, so these two indexes are going to get checked, right? So if we see A and Z here, then that's not a match, right? And we will immediately return a false. So that is the plan. And in case that doesn't happen, okay, so in our else block we will just give start plus plus and end minus minus. Simple. And if everything goes fine, then we are returning a true, because we are getting a palindrome string. That is all we need to do. Let's run this. Great. And time complexity is O of n, as we are traversing through that string, like whatever the length it can be, so O of n. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this. Let's catch up in the next video.